make sure OneDrive is running on your PC, then try again message on Windows 10 or 11. If you're facing this problem which says make sure OneDrive is running on your PC, then try again message on your Windows 10 or 11. Then what you need to do is first you just need simply go and search for OneDrive. After searching, now you need to click on the OneDrive which is here on the upper left, and then you need to go with your settings. From the settings, now here you will have unlink this PC option. You just need to simply click on unlink this PC. After unlinking, you need to go back and log into your account again, and after logging in, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the second method is to turn off files on demand feature. To do that, you need to again go with your OneDrive. So here you may have your OneDrive option, right click on it, and then you need to just go with the settings, which is on the top right, and then go with settings again. Now from here, you need to go with sync and backup, and you may have an option of disable files on demand. So you need to go and turn off that option. If you have that option on your Windows 10, you need to go and turn it off. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then the third solution is you need to again go with your settings on your OneDrive. And from your settings, you need to go with an option of start OneDrive automatically when I sign in to Windows. And that might fix your problem. Or if that still doesn't, then you just need to simply go and reinstall your OneDrive. So you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you can go with your apps and features, which is here on the left side, or you can also go with apps. From the apps, you can go with installed apps or default apps, wherever your OneDrive is. Now here you just need to simply go with search and search for OneDrive. Once you find your OneDrive, you need to go with the right side, which has that three dots, and then go with uninstall. Once you uninstall, you need to open up your Microsoft Store and then again install it and log in, and your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.